God says, "Don't worry if you have failed last year. It was not because you weren't good enough, but you deserved better." So now the blocks on your way are removed, and you will see your dreams come true. 777. Something stressful and painful is about to exit your life to be replaced with something wonderful and beautiful. Are you ready? Type 777 if you're ready. The universe is saying to you today, hear me clearly, I will not fail you. I will not let you down. I will not let the problem overtake you. I will cause you to be the overcomer. Trust yourself and move forward. Angels are saying to you, keep doing the right thing. Keep going to work with a good attitude. You're not working unto people. You're working unto God. Your job is not your source. God is your source. He's keeping the records. Your time is coming. 555. A chapter in your life is coming to an end. Rest assured that beautiful things are ahead in this next chapter. Let go of all things that are out of control and move forward with a thankful heart and abundant thoughts. Type 555 if you're ready. I am a powerful creator, and I have the ability to shape my reality. I trust in the universe to guide me towards my highest good, and I am open to receiving unexpected blessings and opportunities. Every day, I am becoming the best version of myself and living a life of joy and purpose. Change is coming. Everything in your life now will begin to propel forward. You will notice a shift from stagnation to flow, from lack to abundance, from confusion to clarity, from pain to peace. This is the turning point. Type yes if you're ready. You're going places. New worlds, new creations, new ideas, new experiences. All is coming to life for you. You're a master over your reality. Own your truth and be more confident. The universe responds to how you feel about yourself. Feel good, be great, and attract the best. Type yes if you needed this. The universe is removing toxicity from your way. Love is coming your way. Money is coming your way. You are going to be happier than you've ever been. You aren't waiting. You are giving things time to align in your favor. You aren't losing anything. You are making room to receive better. You aren't being blocked. You are being redirected to your breakthrough. You aren't being tested. You're mastering your capabilities to create more. You aren't being rejected. You are being shown the fullness of what you deserve. Perspective changes everything. Trust you are exactly where you need to be. One day, the universe will bless you with one person that gives you everything you've ever prayed and cried for in other people. And it will be beautiful. Faith and focus are my superpowers. When I focus and set clear intentions, my faith keeps me believing that anything is possible. I am in love with the life I am creating for myself. Every morning, I wake up with gratitude that things are working out for me. Type yes to affirm this. If you wake up each morning with the aim to be better than you were yesterday, you will be more likely to go to bed feeling content and accomplished. There is always room for improvement. So whatever you do today, push yourself and you will smash it. Type yes if you're ready. Everything is going to work out in your favor, maybe not exactly how you planned, but it will. Trust and let go of the need to control every outcome and situation. The best things happen unexpectedly. Value your inner peace, and you'll soon find yourself happier than ever before. Keep reminding yourself that there's a time and place for everything, and that every step is necessary. So just keep doing your best today, and don't force what's not yet supposed to fit into your life. It will happen when it's time. The universe is saying to you today, hear me clearly. I will not fail you. I will not let you down. I will not let the problem overtake you. I will cause you to be the overcomer. Trust yourself and move forward. I believe in myself. I am strong and I am enough. I know I have what it takes to be victorious and prosperous. I know I can prosper because I deserve happiness. I am building a beautiful life for myself and manifesting miracles daily. I am focused on self-love and self-development. As I master my mindset, more materializes. I am the creator of my life. I am good at thriving. Right this minute, the universe is sending financial freedom to you. Be grateful and prepare yourself for abundance. Type yes if you're ready.